And today we're going to be checking out this little packet of LED lights for the interior of your car. That's right, this is a 50-piece set. Maybe your car doesn't quite have 50 lights, and the reason they give you so many is they give you a variety of all different types, so you can pull out the ones that your car uses. So let's go ahead, we're going to jump over to the bench, we're going to open this up, take a closer look at it, and then we're going to actually install them and see what a difference they make. So let's do it. All right, so here's the whole pack. We're going to go ahead and rip this open and check out all these LED lights. Let's see what all we get. And I'll try to give you as much info as I can. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to spread these out. So you can see it's like the little fuse type. It's the larger ones for like dome lights. You have these little small ones right here that just kind of like slide in. But I think the best way to do it is I'm just going to bring the camera really close and just kind of scan over them all for you so you can see what all you're going to get and what they all look like. All right, so you're going to get the 41 millimeter dash 41 LED 4014. You're going to get the T5 3 LED 3030, the T10 26 LED dash 4014, the 28 millimeter LED dash 5050, the 31 millimeter dash 18 LED dash 3014, the BA9S dash 24 LED dash 4014, and the 36 millimeter 27 LED 4014. So just make sure that these are the right sizes for your car before you purchase. All right, so you can see how dimly lit the inside of my truck is. The main dome light that's up here, it's up here, is not so bright, not the best dome light in the world. So we're gonna go ahead and change it out with one of these new lights and see how much better it is. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm pulling out the old lights. I'm inserting the new super bright ones. We're going to see how these work out. Ooh, that is so much better. Now, if you put them in, like in this case, and they don't light up, you might have the polarity reverse. So just pull the LED out and flop it around and then try it again. And it'll probably work because that's what I did. Put it in backwards the first time. No big deal. Just pull it out, flip it. There you go. We got both in. Now just reinstall this cover. And we have a much brighter, whiter, better light. The other ones were real blue, real dim. These are a super bright white, which is going to be better for your eyes. It's going to allow you to see more. And now all I have to do is go through the rest of my truck and replace the rest of my bulbs. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.